Jacob, I will give you 10.
Come on, Jake. Come on, Jacob.
Do it, Jacob. Jacob.
I'll give you 10
Go.
bucks a video. I'll give you 10 bucks.
10 bucks. Come on, Jacob.
Come on, come on.
No, Jacob, you're missing your opportunity. Get in there. It's the love of your life. That is the love of your life right there.
It is, man. My heart's racing right now, man.
Jacob.
Come on, you got this.
Yeah, the heart's so hot.
Oh, God. You better back
in
me
there.
up. Come on, come on.
Get in there. Get in there.
Just keep following me. Come on, come on.
No, dude, you gotta go. You gotta go. You're gonna miss your love.
What's his name?
Just make something up.
I don't want to be in the middle of other people. Come on, man.
It's Sammy the Seagull.
Sammy the Seagull.
Hurry up.
You're gonna miss your opportunity.
That nigga, bro.
Bro, you got this. You got this.
Do I really have to? Hold on. Okay, let's take a picture for it. Let me take a picture. Do you want my dick?
Bro, we got this. We got this AK. Just him. Just him. Just him.
Come on. Come on, Jacob. Jacob.
Come on, go.
Yeah,
Yep.
do it.
Second baseman number 7, Cody Halter.
No!